Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel Real Ria. And today I am going to be sharing with all of you a technique known as a decoupage technique. And here I have applied this technique on my tablet cover. Now, to begin with, you can see that my tablet cover is actually pretty boring. It's plain black and nothing interesting is here, and I want to make it interesting. So here, to make it interesting and to do this technique, first we need to take white gesso. Apply this white gesso with the help of a sponge dauber all over the cover. This will set us our base for the work that we are supposed to do later on. Make sure that you cover the whole cover with this white gesso properly, and using this sponge dauber is such an ease and such a beautiful thing. It gives a very nice coating of this white gesso over the cover, and its finishing is just perfect. So when you are doing this technique, try to use a sponge dauber, guys. Make sure to cover this whole tablet cover, or you can do this technique with your phone cover also, normal phone covers, and make sure that you cover it well with the white gesso all over it. Now, after drying it for some time, it takes around 5-6 hours to dry completely. We are going to apply another layer. This is the second layer of gesso that I'll be applying on my cover. This second layer makes sure that you get the full covering of this white paint base, you can say, and this helps us to create a very good base for the technique. Cover the whole cover again with this white gesso. Make sure you cover every inch of it and do not have any kind of black spots. The second layer will definitely ensure that you have a complete white base all over the cover. It is very important for all of us to cover the full cover thoroughly with this white gesso. Now after this gesso, the second layer of the gesso has completely dried out. We are going to take Mod Podge and a flat brush, and we are going to apply it all over. Now why I am doing is because I am going to be sticking my decoupage paper over my tablet cover. So take a very good quantity of Mod Podge and apply it all over the cover. Flat brush ensures that you spread it all over very nicely and equally throughout the cover. Please don't be a miser in using Mod Podge, because if you want your cover to stay for a nice time, please make sure that you take a good quantity of Mod Podge and apply it all over the cover. Now after you have actually completely Mod Podged the cover, now we will apply the decoupage paper. This is a very pretty decoupage paper that I have found, and all my stuffs for this decoupage technique has been brought from Itsy Bitsy. You can also find it in Amazon if you want it. Now apply the decoupage paper thoroughly all over the cover, paste it, and then cut it from all the four sides, so that we are going to stick it on the sides also of the cover. So make sure that you nicely coat it well with Mod Podge, then apply the decoupage paper all over. We are going to do the same thing on the sides also, because we are going to cover the sides also with the decoupage paper like this. We are going to do it on all the four sides in the same way. The Mod Podge will ensure that the decoupage paper is perfectly sticked to the cover. And just press it down. Now what we will do is that we are going to cut out the extra parts that is there, and this is the part, or this is the part of the paper that we really do not want. So cut it accordingly to the size, but make sure that you cover it, cut it in this way that it covers the entire cover, like this that I am doing, as you can all see it. Now see how perfectly this has fitted the full cover on the sides. Do that according to how much you want it to cover the cover, either of your tablet or of your phone. Just make sure that you cut it accordingly to the size. Now after you actually cover the whole cover, either your mobile cover or your tablet cover, anything, make sure that you make the hole for your all the charging points, the speaker points and everything. Make sure that you cut out all the portions well. Now after this has been sticked and you have cut out all the points from your cover, you will apply a good quantity of Mod Podge again over the cover. Now after you apply the Mod Podge and the cover has dried out completely, to make it a little more interesting, here I am adding sparkles. I am adding golden sparkles and pink sparkles because it's going to match with the cover. So I have applied golden sparkles all over it and pink sparkles, and then to set up the cover and to protect it from any kind of damage, we are applying varnish over here. So guys, apply 3 or 4 coats of varnish, because tablet covers or phone covers are something that we use daily, so it needs to be protected well. So you can apply 3 or 4 coats of generous amount of varnish over it, and then we are going to let this varnish dry. But while you are doing this technique, keep one thing in mind, that first layer of varnish should be completely dried out before you apply the second, and so on and so forth. Now my varnish, here I have applied 3 coats of varnish, and it has completely dried out now, and it is looking so pretty. But make sure, if you have any kind of excess left on the insides of the cover, make sure to just clean it nicely, because we need to have a clean work also. So here is the final work that I have done with my decoupage technique, and if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Real Ria.